Alright, upper intake manifold off. So there's some trying to get this light up here. So there's the coils, there's two there, and then there's one up here. And I think that's the one-way valve as well. But look, I found that. Found a little, I don't know if you can see, a little crack there. So that's definitely going to get replaced. These are pretty, I might replace these while I've got off. These are new. They're pretty good. But the other ones like that, they're bloody rock hard. So I might look at replacing them. But yeah, I've got a new gasket as well. Upper intake manifold off, throttle body off as well. I'm gonna call it a night. And then yeah, I'll get some hose tomorrow and I'll replace them. Put the new solenoids on. They're over here. New solenoids here. Alright. Welcome to the rat's nest. Okay, rat's nest. So throttle body off, upper intake off over there. Where was it? Oh, over here. So this is one of the bad boys that was giving me grief. Where is it? Might as well just look at that, man. That's crispy AF. Oh yeah, there it is. Can you see it? No good. No bueno. So I'll fix that up. Give that a hit with the razor blade as well. Scrape the old gasket off. The goop, sorry. Got a fresh gasket in the car. Yeah. I'll put this over here too. I was watching Touch by a Wankle, and he said there's a JP3 racing plate that goes over this blanking plate to stop anything from going in the lower intake. But obviously I don't have that, so I just stuck this down here just for now. Replace all this. Got some hose here. Little update. I've replaced a fair bit of things. So everything I've replaced, I've cable tied with new line and cable tied the ends off. Over here as well, down there, new lines, new solenoids, new lines. I've got to change this one-way valve out. I'm going to do that and then change these as well. They're alright, like they're still rubbery, but you know, like a few fellas have said to me as well, you may as well change it while you can get to it rather than putting it all back. Little things like that, like, you know, there's a little hairline fractures in it. That looks like it's already been done. Yeah, she's almost ready to be put back together, to be honest with you. That's where I'm at. Where I am at. Sponsored by Monster Energy. Not really. Alright. New one-way valve, new solenoids, new lines. Couple more lines as well. You can't see. Got to do that one there too, I think. Oh, a couple over here. These are the ones that you couldn't see. Another one-way valve there. All cable tied on. I think I'm ready to. I'll scrape the old gasket off too. Got the new gasket I want to put on. New gasket. This one's pretty good, but you know, not going to use it. But yeah, new gasket, ready to roll. flip her over, connect some things back up that are disconnected, and yeah, put the charcoal canister back on, plug that up, plug the throttle body back on to the upper intake, put my upper intake pipe on, and take it for a testy. Oh, I've got to put the bonnet back on too. Yeah. Oh, and my strut brace. Alright, a little bit of an update, progress. I've got to cable tie them up actually. It's on, all ready to roll, done up, bolted down. I'm going to put the charcoal canister on, connect that up, connected everything up. What am I going to do? Done that. Just got to put the intake pipe on, strut brace, bonnet, and she should be right to roll. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. First time I've done it, so yeah, full-time qualified mechanic. Shout out to Touch by Wankle over in America there. Absolutely helped me watching his YouTube video. He's got some cool, interesting stuff on the FDs too, so if you want to go over there and have a look, yeah, do that. He's got some very interesting stuff. Anyways, thanks guys, hope you enjoyed. Alright, ready to roll. Everything is, oh hang on, can't forget my strut brace. Anyways, I'll put that on, but let's see if it'll start. Haven't started it yet, so turn it off, put the bonnet on, take it for a testy.